Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by checking both monitors' resolutions and orientation so the wallpaper aligns. Once done, pick either two images or a single panoramic file. This matters because mismatched heights cause cropping. Now open an image editor or wallpaper utility and create a canvas whose width equals display 1 width plus display 2 width. Set height to the taller display. Make sure scaling is 100% to avoid blur and save a master file before editing further. Now you place and align the images on the combined canvas, nudging them so key elements aren't lost at the bezel. Make sure to use guides or rulers and factor in any bezel offset in Windows or Mac OS display scaling, because a 125% scale changes visible areas. If you prefer separate files, export 2 images sized to each monitor. Otherwise, export one single image at the exact combined resolution. Save both the full and split versions for flexibility. Apply the wallpaper using your operating system or a wallpaper manager. On Windows, choose Span for a single image or set each monitor individually. On Mac OS, assign images per display or use a combined canvas. Once applied, inspect seams and important content alignment. Make small crops or shifts if needed. If things go wrong, check display order and scaling first, since mismatched scale or swapped monitors causes misalignment. Restarting the shell or the wallpaper app usually forces a correct refresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.